Okay, we're here at this Owl Cafe. It's really crowded. Oh, here's... No, that parking's way too cramped. Oh no, everybody parks too close. Okay, I think she's leaving, so we'll get a good spot right there. It's pretty crowded, pretty packed. Lots of people are leaving, so that's good. We'll have room. Oh, here's one. I'm gonna park here. The very end. I thought that parking spot was tiny, but actually it fit really well. Actually, there's even more room, a lot of room here actually. Okay, we're here at the Owl Cafe. Looks pretty cool. It's pretty crowded, so it must be good. Open for breakfast special. Look at all of this awards they have here. All this. Alright, Owl Cafe, lunch and diner. There you go. Okay, so they gave us a sample of the green chilies and the beans. Looks like there's some beef too, so let's try it. Okay, let's try green chili. Alright, here we go.
Is it spicy or
It's getting spicy, so it's probably, I don't know if it'll be, depends how sensitive you're. It's not like super spicy. I think the noodle we ate is way spicier. The bathroom area, they have some owls. Here they have all these like souvenirs and stuff and shirts. Owl Cafe up there too. Okay, so I ordered a strawberry shake. They're like, do you want to split it? And I was like, it's fine, because my dad's like, he'll just try some, but they split it. So now we have 2 shakes. I don't know if they made 2 shakes or if they actually give you like double like this amount for just one. Okay, so I got the nachos. It's a huge plate of nachos, and then the green chili cheeseburger, and then they have fresh potato chips. And they had the choice of fries or fresh potato chips. And then they gave those sauces, guacamole, mayonnaise, and salsa. Sorry, I forgot these are the nacho toppings. I said mayonnaise, it's sour cream. For some reason I thought it was mayonnaise for the burger. But the burger already has all its stuff in there. The chips. Nice and crispy. The chips are nice, thick, and crispy. If you have a hard time chewing through like harder stuff, it's about like 2 or 3 of these, the hardness combined. So, yeah, but I like it. The nacho plate is ginormous. They're tasty. And the shake's pretty good. Maybe if they add a little chunks of strawberry, it can be better, but it's good. Though I guess if you're drinking it through the straw, you won't be able to drink the chunks, so have to be like small chunks. And the burger was really good. Had a nice amount of spice. If you're sensitive to spiciness, it'd probably be too spicy though, but it's good. Like it has a little bit less spice than eating the jalapenos here. And here's the leftovers. Alright, time to go. We're gonna head on over to Arizona. Now we have too much leftover food. I don't know if we'll be able to finish it before the border. Let's go. What's that? Casino. Casino. Alright, the superchargers are here somewhere.
Now turn right onto Horizon Avenue.
Okay. Oh, I think it's attached. Is it attached to the Marathon or the Loves? Oh, they're behind the Marathon, so yeah.
In 500 feet, turn left onto Willow Street.
The gas station. It's like the Adobe hut kind of thing. They use the rocks and stuff. Oh, that's pretty nice. Travel center. Okay, we're behind Marathon now. Where'd it go? I don't see it. It could have swore I saw the red lights. What am I missing here? Wait, what? Oh, here it is.
Now you have arrived at your
There
destination.
they are. Right, yeah. Alright, so we'll get back into it now. Well, there's a lot. Actually, there's ones that you back into, and there's ones that you drive straight into. I think they're all the same, right? Yeah. Alright, we're here. They have this wire basket. Cactus-y thing. Is that barbed wire? Will you cut yourself? Anyways, we're here. So we're gonna go ahead and plug in. 250 kilowatt charger. Yep. So it'll probably take about an hour, 10 minutes or so. If we let it sit at the 100% for a long time, then maybe an hour, 30 minutes or an hour, 20 minutes. If we want to charge all the way. Turn on that. Oh, and we have a software update too. So let's have it update and then we'll have better full self-driving. Okay, it's charging at 214 kilowatts right now. There's an update. It's 9:09 p.m., 54 degrees Fahrenheit outside. It'll probably take about 9 hours to get from here to the state capitol. That's including charging. The time will go back 1 hour, so let's say it'll seem like it took 8 hours. So I think I'll probably just sleep here and then drive tomorrow, because we can go there and then we don't need to leave so early tomorrow to my friend's place, because that's at like 2 p.m. So we have plenty of time, so might as well sleep and then be like more like awake and better, not feeling tired. So yeah, we'll charge up and then we'll move the car somewhere, then rest. This is a big travel center, so the bathroom should be open 24/7. And yeah, all right, we'll see you guys later. All right, it's at 98%. Let's unplug, park somewhere, and then rest. Plenty of charge. Let's see, maybe we can park in the back over there. I'll find one. Alright, so we're gonna park there. Then we'll look at all this stuff in the morning, because right now it's too dark. We have this Chaco Canyon. Okay, I'm gonna go to the restroom. See you guys tomorrow. So even the windows have these nice designs here. I hope it's open. If not, I have to go to Love's. Doesn't look like anyone's. Oh, nope, it's closed. So they don't have any. Yeah, it's closed. Okay, then we'd have to go to Love's to use the restroom. What is going on? The truck's updating and now it's making some weird noises. Why is it doing that? Stop it. What is happening? Is that audible outside? What the heck is happening? Is it because I'm in here? Is that supposed to be its alarm? I don't know what's going on. Well, hopefully it stops once the update's almost done. I don't know what it's doing. What is going on? How's my dad still sleeping through this? What is happening? Let me see what happens if I go outside the car. What does it sound like? Oh, it's quieter outside the car. Actually, what the heck? It's like the sound is coming from a certain area of the truck. Is it coming from the under speaker? No. What? It's inside. What is happening? happening? Oh, the wheel's going. Do lights turn on? Nope. The truck's broken now. We're stranded. We're stuck here now. What happened? What is happening now? It's like buzzing under here. What is going on with this update? Better not be stuck like this forever all night. Okay, there we go. What? Be quiet. What is that? Stop it. What is happening? Updating electronic control units. Driving and charging disabled. Do not drive until complete. Why is it still beeping? Why is the right speaker beeping like that? What is happening? Oh no, stop. Now both of them are going again. Good thing I'm at a close gas station where there's not a lot of people. Air conditioner's going on and off. It's beeping louder and switching the speakers. Oh my goodness. Good thing, if I was home and I ran this update at like 1 a.m., oh my god. What the heck? What is this? I don't know what's going on. The Cybertruck's updating and it's beeping like crazy. It won't shut up. I just noticed the update also shows on the back screen. What the heck is it doing? Hurry up and shut up already. I'm hearing stuff going clicking. This beeping needs to stop. What is happening? Hurry up already. Beeping finally stopped. Oh my goodness, but it's still updating. That means it might start doing it again. What kind of update is this? Oh no, don't do it. Okay, the steering wheel woke up. It's locked again. And it's still updating. And a train is coming. What is going... Okay. I hope this update better have done something good. Minor bug fixes and all this. Beep, 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 beep. Good thing I didn't wait till it was like crowded and busy over here. Finishing update. Driving is disabled. Do not drive until complete. Alright, looks like it's updating and rebooting now. So it should be just about done. Alright, looks like it's still updating. It says it's rebooting again. It already rebooted. I don't know. Is it rebooting again? The GPS was talking, and I don't know. I probably have to hold the 2 scroll wheels to do a full reboot again just to be safe. Sometimes after the updates, doing that reboot is good. It looks like, okay, it restarted with all my stuff. And is it going to pop up to show the release notes? I don't know. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. I'll give it some time, and if it does, I'll be back. Okay, it did pop up. So here we go. So this is what we have now. FSD supervised 12.5.5.2. Okay, so what did it do? Upgrade city street driving stack single blah blah blah. Okay, replace over 300,000 lines of C++ code. Nothing's new here, right? Includes vision-based sunglasses or upcoming improvements, earlier and more natural. Okay, earlier more natural lane change decisions, improved performance in parking lots, improved performance at intersection and stops, and introduction of speed profile. Okay, so it's not here yet, it says it's coming, right? There's an early access build. You and anyone you authorize to use must use additional caution and remain attentive. It does not make your vehicle autonomous. Do not become complacent. Right? Nothing else is new. It's the same stuff here. Yep. Same stuff. Okay. nothing is really new. So anyways, I'm going to do the 2 scroll wheel reset. So there's 2 scroll wheels, press them both at the same time and hold it down, and it should eventually shut off. And there you go. And we'll let it reboot. And that's good enough. I'm going to sleep now, but that's the update. Yeah, if you run the update on yours and yours starts going crazy, beeping nonstop, I guess that's normal. If yours goes beeping nonstop, let me know so I know mine's not just crazy and messed up, because I've never had an update do that before on my Model Y, on the Cybertruck, any of them. That was really weird. Okay, so it's resetting. And hopefully it will be good. The AC's doing stuff, moving the vents around.
In 500 feet, turn right to take the
No.
Interstate 40
Okay.
West ramp toward Gallup.
Anyways,
Flagstaff.
as you can see, it finished. It reset itself. Did it? It killed my music now. Oh, it's probably still loading because there's no internet. Okay, so it reset itself now, and the GPS stuff is still there, so it should be good. Alright, we'll drive it tomorrow and we'll see if there's any difference. But for now, that's the update. It was doing some weird beepy beepy beepy. That was very strange. So yeah, if yours does that, I guess don't panic, it's gonna eventually stop. But if you haven't started your update and you're planning to get it, or if it pops up, keep that in mind, that your truck might start beeping nonstop. So don't do it someplace where people are gonna get annoyed by that beeping sound. Right? It's pretty loud. Alright, there we go. See you guys in the next one. Bye.